goes before us, and also thanking everyone for making this day possible. And most especially, I'd like to dedicate this to you because Ginninhago really means all of who we are today is because of you. So, okay. So I'm going to first start off with a chant that my grandmother, a permission chant that my grandmother would say to me before I go into the jungle. You know, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to chant it a little bit because we all know, right? We need to ask permission before I go into the jungle, and then I'll have you help me with the song. So, but I'm going to teach you the song now. So you're going to sing, repeat that, or you can try to sing along with me. Very simple. Oh, Sainan, Mommy, Sizus Maasi, Sainan, Mommy, Sizus Maasi, Sainan, Mommy, Sizus Maasi, Sainan. Okay? Okay, so when I turn to you, we sing it together. Okay? Guelas and Guelu, Hosinya Malofan, Winigitanomu, Guelas and Guelu, na iham animu, itautanu, imensa moru, o Sainan, Mommy, Sizus Maasi, Sainan, Mommy, Sizus Maasi, Sainan, Nayamani Muni Hinanamami, Yamona Igaren Mami, Tanapan Lola Ilina Lazari Tauta, O Sainan, Mommy, Sizus Maasi, Sainan, Mommy, Sizus Maasi, Sainan, Metpudam Paguna Inedno, Yepapu Paguna Inedno, Tanapan Lola Ilina Lazari Tauta, O Sainan, Mommy, Sizus